Hello, myself Pratium Chaudhary. In this video, I will demonstrate how my user management API works. This file contains the centralized logic for database connection. This file is for allowing only authenticated users. We use Mongoose to define the structure for data entry. There is the route file where we are handling the register, login, and search request. For register request, first we will check if all the fields are filled. Then we check for existing user. And if it is a new user, then before saving data to the database, we will hash the password for reducing the risk of data leak. For login, we will check for email in the database. If exist, then match the associated password to getting user logged in. In search request, we can search a user via username and email. If user exists in database, then we will show user's details only if the user is logged in. In .env file, we store sensitive data which are going to be used in code. Program.json file contains all the dependencies. README.md file is just to get overview how can anyone use the code locally on their system from GitHub repo. Server.js file is set up and run the Express server of the application. Now let's run the server. As you can see, there is no data inside the user management API. Now let's go to the Postman to demonstrate how APIs works. First, we will pass a post request to register user. For passing requests, we will use examples from our README file. Now as we can see, the user details get entered into user management API. Now similarly, we will pass login request. As we are logged in successfully. Now we will pass a GET request for search. For search, we need to provide token so that the details of users show only if logged in. We will pass token in header with a prefix of barra gap so that our token remains safe and do not leak.